And now here, as you can see, my WhatsApp successfully added to my Instagram. Go to your Instagram app and now go to your profile, and if you're using an Instagram personal account, first of all you have to convert your personal account to professional. So from your Instagram profile, tap on this hamburger menu and here scroll down and just tap on account type and tools, and here tap on switch to professional account, continue, and select a category for your account. And select creator or business. And just cross this page, and that's it. Your account successfully converted to a professional account. Now it's time to add WhatsApp business in our Instagram. So make sure you have installed the WhatsApp business app on your phone and you have created your WhatsApp business account. Now from your Instagram profile, just tap on edit profile, and here scroll down, tap on contact options, and tap on WhatsApp business phone number, and here we can see a number already showing up. If you want to use a different WhatsApp business account number, just in this number box go ahead and write the business account number, tap on done, and just tap on send code. And now go to your WhatsApp business app, and here we can see I received a verification code. So all you have to need, just memorize the code, add the code in this box to verify. Once successfully verified, just cross this pop-up and tap on enable display contact info option and tap on done. And I'm going to my profile, and now here, as you can see, my WhatsApp successfully added to my Instagram. Now on, anyone will be able to easily send a message on my WhatsApp business account by tapping on this WhatsApp button.